Hello, so this week we are focusing on vocabulary. I found a super fun activity for students to work on. This is going to be set up as centers. So in my CP classrooms, we have centers every Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, where the students go into their groups, and every 20 minutes they switch. So there's like an accelerated reader, an individual time with the teacher, Lexia, and then they have the writing section, which is usually with me. So I would do one of these activities in the center. So since we're focusing on vocabulary, this worksheet that I'm going to do with them involves biomes. They're going to read about biomes in this passage. It's just a short passage about biomes. And I can either read it aloud to the students or they can read it individually. Usually I like reading it to them so that they can comprehend, so they can follow along while I'm reading it with them. And after I read it with them, we're going to do this worksheet. This worksheet has the words, the different vocabulary words. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's plenty of time during their centers. And if not, we could work on it the next center, the next day. So they have 5 words where they're going to draw a picture as well. And then they're also going to write the definition. What I really like about this worksheet is that all of the answers are in the text. So as long as they read it and pay attention, they will have it, and it'll also be good at assessing their, comprehension. So this is an example of how it would look. So here's their words, here's the pictures that they could draw, and then the definitions. So I would do a sample with them first, and then they do the rest on their own. So I would read the passage, and just for this video, I'm going to read the passage just so you can see that they'll be able to find the definition of the word in the passage. So I'm going to read the biomes. Biomes are regions that together make up the Earth's surface. They are classified based on factors of the region's environment. First, a biome is unique in its abiotic factors such as climate and soil type. Climate is the general weather conditions like temperature and rainfall in an area over time. Second, each biome consists of specific biotic factors, which are plants and animals that can live together. Plants and animals belonging to a biome have qualities that allow them to survive in its area. For example, a cactus needs a hot, dry climate to survive, so it grows in the desert. Biomes on land are called terrestrial biomes, and biomes in the water are aquatic biomes. Each biome has subbiomes that have their own ecosystems. Scientists have different ideas of how many major biomes there are. Many say there are 5 major biomes, but others count subbiomes as major biomes as well. The 5 major biomes that many scientists agree on are the aquatic biomes, grasslands, deserts, forests, and tundra. And then it includes the pictures. So these are the pictures that it has for the different biomes. So, as I said, I would show an example first of what to do. So I'm gonna show them that you can, I'm looking for my highlighter. I'm gonna show them that you can find it in the story. So the first one on the list is going to be terrestrial. Right here, terrestrial. So I remember seeing the text, so I'm going to find it. So biomes on land are called terrestrial. I'm going to highlight it so I can show the students. Here's an up close. Biomes on land are called terrestrial biomes. So there it is. That's the definition. So what I would write right here is I would write of the land. So I'm going to grab my pencil and I'm going to write it so that the students can see. Of the land. So here's my definition of the land, and then I would draw a picture of land, and it's that simple. And I think that the kids would have a really fun time doing this because they get to draw a picture and the definition is in the text, so they'll be able to clearly see it. And so yeah, that is my activity for vocabulary.